Now let's have a look at scheduling and alerts. So to open up the scheduling and alerts editing screen for a particular module, click on the cog icon in the top right hand corner of the editing module screen and select scheduling/alerts from the menu. This will open up the screen which will allow you to edit all the details for scheduling and alerts. The first set of options are for the notification that will appear when this module becomes available. So let's say the title could be Welcome to the Study, and the secondary message, tap to open the survey. This information will be presented to the user with the notification on the device. In terms of scheduling, the day of first alert simply means on what day do you want this module to appear to the user for the first time relative to when they enrolled in the study. So the day they enroll is 0, the day after they enroll is 1, and so on and so forth. So let's say we want this module to appear to the user on the day that they enroll. So we'll set that as 0. The number of days means how many days in a row do you want these modules to be presented to the user. So let's say we only want this to be presented to them once, the day of enrollment, so we'll set this to 1. However, if we wanted to do some daily surveys, we might set this to a value such as 7, and that means this module will be presented to them every day for 7 days in a row, based on the times that we set now. So you have to set at least one time. So this is in 24-hour time. So let's say we want this welcome module to appear to the user at 9:30 a.m. in the first instance. So we'll add 9:30. So we also want to try and catch them later in the afternoon at, say, 2:30 p.m. So we'll add 2:30 in there as well. So this means this welcome module will appear on the day of enrollment at both 9:30 and 2:30 p.m. Let's say we want to randomize that time a little bit. So if we toggle on randomize time and put in a random interval, let's say we want within 30 minutes of that time. So if we place 15 minutes in, what's going to happen is when it's scheduling this module alert, it's going to say, all right, 15 minutes before 9:30 is 9:15, 15 minutes after is 9:45. So it's going to schedule this alert sometime within 15 minutes either side of each alert time. Similarly, 2:15 to 2:45. If we turned off randomize, it would present it at exactly the times we've specified. A few other things. If we wanted this welcome module to stick around after the user has answered it or responded to it, let's say it's some important information that we want the user to have access to moving forward, we can make this module sticky. So sticky simply means once it appears at the appropriate time, that module will actually stick around on the home screen. So that means the user could respond to the module multiple times if they needed to. So we can also provide a sticky label here. Let's call this one Getting Started. And that's just a title that appears above sticky modules on the home screen. Non-sticky modules just get a title of Recent. And let's say we wanted the user to respond to this prompt within a certain amount of time, otherwise it would disappear from the home screen. So we can set the timeout behavior by toggling timeout on and setting the number of minutes after which we want this module to disappear. So let's say if they don't respond to it within 60 minutes, we want it to disappear from the home screen. So we'd set a timeout of 60. And once all of those details are completed, your module is ready to go and will display alerts to the user once they are enrolled.